Abaturo ku rugo mu cyaro cya Mugamba umugombora ya cyangwa ari mu district ya Kikube nibajuna na Ruth Kaboyo umukazi w'umugenzi David Kaboyo okubiba hitaka ryabo rero bari kugira ngo bamazireho imyaka iri kurenga 20
ine miti ndiri ngajibyara ni za avocado na karutusi na za fenezona nzine n'imiyembe kino kitarimo no kwenye mahasi ari koko kujya kure cyari guza tingiraho itaka kandi ndagano yabane ibakozire iro nabataka batemera uhenda bakozire baro hata basejya niho bayizire bo na force yo kwijutiza muri akajya bakembo
twena dukwasirwe ndi kubashaba ngo mutuyambe kuko mwahurira amarira gitu inye namara munoya imyaka 2 nanya basigazi banje bona mbazariro
itakero bwa haturukumirwa mahe kandi tino rukwikirizwa kucwe kanisa.
If we wanted to evict, if we are about evicting, we would have just come and said, fungua nyumba, toka. We have not done that, and we are not here to do that. Gentlemen, don't allege. There is a time when rebels were here. I personally was one of the people who were fighting rebels here. These people were wishing to stay with us. Now today I'm hearing them, they say they don't want soldiers. Nyinyi ni watu gani? Uganda, and you say you don't want a soldier? We are here to serve you people.
The reason we have been sent is to come and things stop where they are so that court goes ahead to decide. If they decide that the land is your client, definitely these people will have to go away. Isn't that good for your time?
Nyonda kimanti omuntu yaba yine cyapa hacyaro obunda abantu bakitahirire ari kukire iminga ayinza genda ne mukoti nagama nti banange gundi nti nanka akatahirire cyapa itaka lyanje omushanga guteka yo mukoti omukoti aramanya nti cyapa cye kiyikire kandi namazima nti mbone icyataka lyari tahiri
abeberagira ku rugo mustungure cya World Voices Uganda eciro kurwanira ubugabe bw'abantu batayiro mu nshongezo kwera batura
n'obucyo kubire ngo ekibanje cyo ne cya Rusi Kaboyo ninga kikakiriye cyo mugenzi Kaboyo ayine cyapa n'obucyo kubire ngo cyapa kikija mu buhikire yamazireho imyaka 2 turafaga mugira ngo urugaho gene
twagamba no rukujunanwa hanshongezi Ruth Kaboyo umukazi w'umugenzi David Kaboyo kandi yagira ngo bariyo narwanere bintu biba yasigireho
akarwala for long time bakozege advantage olyondi cyargonza ogu akabalike yateka aine kusasoro busuru wachetegereza busuru atabutohe byabene mwana wange yafa yihamane mugora yachomu itaka yo before argi kati nyo busumo bakongamba bara
gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.